Learn 100 daily use English sentences with shadowing English speaking practice for beginners. Welcome back to BBC English Online. Do you want to speak English in daily life but you don't know what sentences to use? Maybe you understand English, but when it is time to speak, your mind goes blank. Don't worry. In today's lesson, we will practice 100 daily use English sentences for beginners. These sentences are simple, useful, and easy to repeat. You can use them at home, at school, at work, with friends, while shopping, while traveling, and in many real-life situations. This is also a shadowing practice lesson. That means you will listen first, then repeat after me. Please don't just watch silently. Speak out loud. Your mouth needs practice, your voice needs practice, your confidence needs practice. If you practice these sentences every day, your English will become more natural, more fluent, and more confident. So, are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. How to practice. Listen, repeat, speak. Here is how to practice this lesson. First, listen carefully. Second, repeat after me. Third, speak clearly. Fourth, repeat the sentence if you need more practice. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. When I say a sentence, you repeat it out loud. For example, I am learning English. Repeat after me. I am learning English. Good. Now let's start with daily life sentences. Part 2. Morning routine. Sentences. Morning routine English. These sentences are useful in the morning. I wake up early. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat after me. I wash my face. I take a shower. Repeat after me. I take a shower. I get ready for the day. Repeat after me. I get ready for the day. I make my bed. Repeat after me. I make my bed. I drink a glass of water. Repeat after me. I drink a glass of water. I have breakfast. Repeat after me. I have breakfast. I drink tea in the morning. Repeat after me. I drink tea in the morning. I start my day with a positive mind. Repeat after me. I start my day with a positive mind. Excellent. These are simple sentences, but they are very useful. Try to use them every morning. Part 3. Home and family sentences. Home and family English. Now let's practice sentences you can use at home. I am at home. Repeat after me. I am at home. I am helping my family. Repeat after me. I am helping my family. I am cleaning my room. Repeat after me. I am cleaning my room. I am cooking dinner. Repeat after me. I am cooking dinner. I am washing the dishes. Repeat after me. I am washing the dishes. I am doing my homework. Repeat after me. I am doing my homework. My family is doing well. Repeat after me. My family is doing well. I love spending time with my family. Repeat after me. I love spending time with my family. Please close the door. Repeat after me. Please close the door. Please turn off the light. Repeat after me. Please turn off the light. Very good. These sentences are perfect for everyday home conversation. Part 4. Daily conversation. Sentences. Daily conversation English. Now let's practice common daily conversation sentences. How are you? Repeat after me. How are you? I am fine, thank you. Repeat after me. I am fine, thank you. What are you doing? Repeat after me. What are you doing? I am learning English. Repeat after me. I am learning English. Where are you going? Repeat after me. Where are you going? I am going to work. Repeat after me. I am going to work. What do you want? Repeat after me. What do you want? I want some water. Repeat after me. I want some water. Can you help me? Repeat after me. Can you help me? Yes, of course. Repeat after me. Yes, of course. I don't understand. Repeat after me. I don't understand. Please speak slowly. Repeat after me. Please speak slowly. Could you repeat that? Repeat after me. Could you repeat that? What do you mean? Repeat after me. What do you mean? That's a good idea. Repeat after me. That's a good idea. Great job. These sentences will help you speak in normal daily conversations. Part 5. Work and study sentences. Work and study English. Now let's practice English sentences for work and study. I am going to school. Repeat after me. I am going to school. I am going to the office. Repeat after me. I am going to the office. I have a lot of work today. Repeat after me. I have a lot of work today. I need to finish this task. Repeat after me. I need to finish this task. I am busy right now. Repeat after me. I am busy right now. I will call you later. Repeat after me. I will call you later. I am studying English. Repeat after me. I am studying English. I want to improve my English. Repeat after me. I want to improve my English. I practice English every day. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. I am trying my best. Repeat after me. I am trying my best. I have a question. Repeat after me. I have a question. Please explain it again. Repeat after me. Please explain it again. I finished my work. Repeat after me. I finished my work. I need more time. Repeat after me. I need more time. I will do it tomorrow. Repeat after me. I will do it tomorrow. Excellent. If you are a student or worker, these sentences will be very useful for you. Part 6. Shopping and money sentences. Shopping English. Now let's practice shopping sentences. How much is this? Repeat after me. How much is this? It is too expensive. Repeat after me. It is too expensive. Can you give me a discount? Repeat after me. Can you give me a discount? I want to buy this. Repeat after me. I want to buy this. Do you have another color? Repeat after me. Do you have another color? Do you have a bigger size? Repeat after me. Do you have a bigger size? Do you accept cards? Repeat after me. Do you accept cards? I will pay in cash. Repeat after me. I will pay in cash. Please give me the receipt. Repeat after me. Please give me the receipt. I am just looking. Repeat after me. I am just looking. Part 7. Food and restaurant sentences. Restaurant English. Now let's practice food and restaurant sentences. I am hungry. Repeat after me. I am hungry. I am thirsty. Repeat after me. I am thirsty. What would you like to eat? Repeat after me. What would you like to eat? I would like some rice. Repeat after me. I would like some rice. Can I see the menu? Repeat after me. Can I see the menu? I would like a cup of tea. Repeat after me. I would like a cup of tea. The food is delicious. Repeat after me. The food is delicious. This is too spicy. Repeat after me. This is too spicy. Can I have the bill, please? Repeat after me. Can I have the bill, please? Thank you for the food. Repeat after me. Thank you for the food. Part 8. Travel and outside sentences. Travel English. Now let's practice sentences for travel and outside situations. Where is the bus stop? Repeat after me. Where is the bus stop? How can I go there? Repeat after me. How can I go there? Is it far from here? Repeat after me. Is it far from here? I need a taxi. Repeat after me. I need a taxi. Please take me to this address. Repeat after me. Please take me to this address. I am lost. Repeat after me. I am lost. Can you show me the way? Repeat after me. Can you show me the way? I am waiting for the bus. Repeat after me. I am waiting for the bus. The bus is late. Repeat after me. The bus is late. I reached home safely. Repeat after me. I reached home safely. Part 9. Feelings and confidence. Sentences. Feelings and confidence. Now let's practice sentences about feelings and confidence. I am happy today. Repeat after me. I am happy today. I am a little tired. Repeat after me. I am a little tired. I feel nervous. Repeat after me. I feel nervous. I feel confident. Repeat after me. I feel confident. I am not afraid of mistakes. Repeat after me. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Repeat after me. Mistakes help me learn. I can speak slowly. Repeat after me. I can speak slowly. I can speak clearly. Repeat after me. I can speak clearly. I am improving every day. Repeat after me. I am improving every day. I believe in myself. Repeat after me. I believe in myself. Part 10. Useful polite sentences. Polite English sentences. Now let's practice polite English sentences. These are very important. Excuse me. Repeat after me. Excuse me. I am sorry. Repeat after me. I am sorry. Thank you so much. Repeat after me. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Repeat after me. You are welcome. Please wait a moment. Repeat after me. Please wait a moment. No problem. Repeat after me. No problem. That's okay. Repeat after me. That's okay. Have a nice day. Repeat after me. Have a nice day. See you later. Repeat after me. See you later. Take care. Repeat after me. Take care. Part 11. Final Shadowing Challenge. Great job. You have practiced 100 daily use English sentences. Now let's do a quick final shadowing challenge. Repeat after me. I am learning English. I practice every day. I speak slowly and clearly. I am not afraid of mistakes. I am improving little by little. Excellent. If you repeated these sentences out loud, you are already improving your English speaking. Remember, speaking English is like exercise. If you practice every day, your speaking muscles become stronger. Part 12. Outro and Engagement. Thank you for practicing with me today. In this lesson, you learned 100 daily use English sentences for beginners. You practiced morning routine English, home English, daily conversation, work and study English, shopping English, restaurant English, travel English, feelings, confidence, and polite sentences. Now your homework is simple. Write this sentence in the comments. I am improving my English every day. Also, comment on practice if you repeated the sentences out loud. If you want a PDF of all 100 sentences, comment PDF below. Subscribe to BBC English Online for more English speaking practice, shadowing practice, daily use of English sentences, pronunciation lessons, and fluency tips. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Speak every day. Repeat out loud. And keep improving little by little. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson.